Alright, what is up guys, Soy Sauce 22 back in our video, and as promised, I was going to bring all of these packs in a pack opening today to try to get the new Ultimate Legends that are out. Those are all from the Journey 3, and this is my farm account, but other than 3,000 coins, those are like all the coins I made from the Journey 3, so that's a pretty good coin total if you're looking to do it. But also, you could do the giveaway, so again, 95 Vic Beasley and 50,000 coins, so the first one up will be for 95 Vic Beasley. Good luck to everybody. The winner is Ballin' Like LBJ23. Again, Ballin' Like LBJ23. Be sure to message me on Xbox when you see this, and congratulations. And now this is for 50,000 coins here. The winner is Mr. Mancini24. Again, Mr. Mancini24. Also, be sure to message me on Xbox when you see this, and congratulations. So, new signature packs out today. 400,000 coins, or 4,000 points. By far the most expensive pack. It guarantees a signature player, 15 gold or better players, and a mix of 4 other team items. I just didn't think they would come out with something this big. And then a 2-pack bundle at the top is 4 Ultimate Legend items, which, I don't know, that could go either way. It could be good or bad, but it's 2 signature packs, 8,000 points. That's ridiculous. Alright, go see if these Ultimate Legends are up. Just hoping I can pull something good in this video. Alright. Hopefully they're up here. And surprisingly, none of them are up here. Which means I really hope I can pull one. Alright, anyway, let's get into this pack opening. Again, just a quick thank you to everybody who entered the giveaway. I love doing them each week for you guys, but here we go. Gonna get Journey Master Pack in here for another 95 Vic Beasley. And there he is. Start off with his gold player packs here. Will Smith, MVP token. Next one up. And Luke Jockle. So basically the worst gold you can get. Could go open a couple pro packs first. You know, just get things warmed up here. Like I was saying before about the signature packs, there are a lot of new signature players that came out today, but they could be going for so cheap. So this would be the day to buy them if you want to buy signature players. It's the cheapest that they're going to be. At least I think so. And that's about it. Alright, so gonna hop into those other packs I have saved up. Let's get into the veteran packs here. Okay, all rookie team collectible. Road to the playoffs, Roy Miller. And Eric Reed. Next veteran pack. Reveal all. Okay, elite Levante David. At least I got an elite there. Get into these elite player packs. And 85 Marquise Pouncey. These packs usually have some of the worst elites in the game, but hey, they're free elites. I'll take it. This is all free stuff right here. And okay, that's not bad. TJ Lang, he goes in that Richie Incognito set, so hopefully that card's still going for a good amount. Not bad right there. Still have 6 packs here, and then so 6, 16, 26. I think it's like 42 chances I have left, so let's get into these packs. So silver badge there. Or the playoffs Vic Beasley. So many Vic Beasleys. And Alfonso Denard. So next All-Pro pack here. Matt Slauson. Hit from the back. Or the playoffs David Johnson. Alright, get into these legend packs here. This is where hopefully it'll get good. Legend badge, okay, I will take it. Oh, Elite Campus Hero Jerry Hughes, there we go. Finally got a pretty good pull here. Take a look at him quickly. 99 finesse move, 93 excel, 86 play rec, 85 block shed. Pretty good card right there. So next legend pack here. Corey Graham. Another legend badge, I will take it. Eric Wood. Joe Wrights. And I'll finish it off. So 2 more packs here. Game Changer and Ultimate pack. These are the big boys right here. Cordy Glenn. Reveal all. So gold badge there. Nothing in this pack. Darn it. So 1 more pack left with a guaranteed elite. The ultimate pack. Hopefully something good pops out of here. Okay, we're the playoffs. Danny Trevathan. Start off the pack. Sean Lauval. John Hughes. Elite Russell Wilson. Just go through the back here. Finishing off with golds there, but alright, did get a good amount of elites. Got that Jerry Hughes, Danny Trevathan, so pretty good pack opening overall. Again, for the giveaway winners, Mr. Mancini won the 50,000 coins, and then balling like LBJ23 won the 95 Vic Beasley. So both you, congratulations, and be sure to message me on Xbox when you see this video to claim your prizes. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm Soy Sauce 22, and I'm out.